This video details the SBM HeatGlo with 12 ZRS and 16 ZRS heater assembly. Although sheet steel components are laser cut, there may be sharp edges, so handle with care. Trolley components and heater are supplied in 2 cartons plus a tube package for the mast. Detailed component list is as follows: a base plate and a back panel, both made of galvanized steel, 2 side panels, a front panel, a top panel, a tubular mast, and a heater mounting bracket, all made of stainless steel, 22 15mm by 6mm bolts, 2 30mm by 6mm set screws with nuts and washers, 2 50mm by 6mm bolts with nuts, 2 75mm diameter solid nylon wheels, 1 1/2-inch diameter steel axle bar, and 2 rubber feet which are supplied with wood screws that can be discarded, and 1 heater package complete with hose and regulator set and heater operation and service manual. Please ensure all components are supplied before starting the assembly. A 10mm spanner, a small adjustable spanner, and a No. 1 Phillips head screwdriver are required for the assembly. Attach the trolley back panel to the base plate with 3 Phillips head bolts. With the assembly on its back, fit the wheels into the slots at either side of the base plate and slide the axle through. The axle will be flush with the outer edges of the base tray after fitting. Attach left and right side panels to the base tray and the back panel with 5 Phillips head bolts on either side and back. Push the set screws through the feet and attach to the 2 holes in the base plate using the M6 nuts and washers. Attach the front panel to the sides and base with 7 Phillips head bolts. From the heater carton, take out the hose and regulator assembly. Pass the hose end into the mast section from the plane end, and feed through until about 300mm comes out at the other end where the 4 holes are located. Attach the mast to the inside of the back panel using any pair of holes. The highest pair will give the highest heater height. Attach the heater mounting bracket to the mast using the 50mm bolts, nuts and washers. The lower front hole will give the heater an angle of 60 degrees and the rear hole an angle of 45 degrees. For full distance heat spread, the 60-degree angle is recommended. Attach the heater assembly to the mounting bracket using the 2 6mm studs on the rear face of the heater. Ensure the heater is the correct way around and the ignition controls are at the left when standing behind the heater and the labels are the right way up. Connect the hose to the fitting on the heater and allow excess hose to drop back down the mast. Fitting should be hand tight plus a quarter turn to ensure it is gas tight. Sealant is not required. If a rubber sheet is supplied, place in the base of the trolley assembly. Place a 9 kg gas cylinder in the trolley and connect POL fittings. The appliance is now ready for use. Refer to the lighting instructions in the appliance manual and rear of the heater assembly. Once the heater is in operation, the top panel can be placed on top of the trolley, but will need to be removed when changing the gas rate or shutting down the heater. If you have any queries related to the assembly or operation of the heater, contact customer service at Hurll Nu-Way on 1300 556 380.